Hi, welcome back to Show Me Trucks. In this video, we get back to working on the 1936 GMC flatbed truck, and I show you how I modified the original style gas tank for fuel injection for LS engine, and I also show you how I make the spare tire mount. And then a couple odds and ends here and there, and talk to you about the different updates. So let's jump into this video. Alright, let me show you why I put a chimney in my gas tank. And some of my reasoning. So, I wanted my spare to be up under the bed, but that chimney is disgusting. I mean, all fuel injected stuff is just a lot of plumbing and stuff like that. So I wanted to use the setup I had in my 67, which is like a 87 sending unit with, I modified the ends and stuff like that. But if I make my spare tire mount that high, it kind of hides it. You can see it a little bit, but it also hides a lot of the plumbing up under the truck. So whenever you see it from the back, unless you're really low, if you're kind of normal height, I don't think you'll see it that much. And so now that I know how it sits, I can mount this plate that I welded the studs on, mount that to the spare tire, and then I'm gonna make supports that run to the side. But I wanted to center the tire side to side, and then I moved it so that the chimney is kind of in the middle. It's offset a little bit just because of the way the tank is made, but I had measured all that before, so I knew I was gonna have room for the wheel to sit on there. So pretty happy with how that turned out. I'm happy the wheel can sit down lower. I would love the fuel lines to run over to the driver's side, but I'll probably run them, I guess, obviously, I'm going to run them to the passenger side and then cross over the transmission or something. So that's kind of what I'm working on tonight. About to call it a night. But my filler neck is going to run into one of the storage boxes that's going to be on this side, back behind the tire. I'm going to have one in front, one in behind. I wanted to hide the filler neck inside that box. That way I can use like an ugly plastic one for fuel injection. You know, they kind of need a seal better. But that's what we're looking like. You know, stock gas tank for one of these. Obviously I had to weld all that. That was a lot of work. But I'm happy how it turned out. So I'm going to use the paint stripper on this and clean off the outside. Let's see how it goes. I got to paint the gas tank. I used this Rust-Oleum textured, I don't know, some kind of brown. I thought it would kind of hide the gas tank a little bit, not be a shiny silver. It's kind of somewhat rusty looking. It doesn't cover very well, so I actually used 2.5 cans on just a gas tank. So that's what I'm getting to. You also saw me unbox the foam. I'm real excited. I ordered some 4-inch firm foam and some 3-inch medium foam for my seats. Hopefully that should be enough. I didn't want it too thick because I'm trying to give myself as much leg room and space in this truck as I can. I wanted my truck seat firm for one, but obviously if it's firm you can use less inches of foam. So we'll see how that turns out. I need to let the foam relax and open up, and I'm not really ready. I don't have the leather yet either, so hopefully this week I'll get to spray adhesive on the wood backings for the seats right here, attach that foam, and then I can cut the corners and bevel down all the edges and smooth everything out. And then we can see how laying the leather goes down. I have a friend that has a staple gun, so I can staple it all. But I need to see what the corner seams are gonna look like, and then I'll probably just hand stitch those. I'm not doing anything crazy. I want it to look like how they would have done a seat back in the day. I have a lot of things going on right now, so I just pulled the wheels off today so I can take them to the shop. I was gonna try to pull these tires off myself, but I decided against that 'cause, just time restraints. I also have someone that should be sandblasting my rims soon. That way I can save some time there, paint those, and then throw these tires on. Also, I'm trying to mess with the heater. I'm gonna film that all in a different setup. I was hoping that the vintage air heater setup might fit underneath the seat. Not totally sure yet. I need to mess with some of the brackets that are in the wrong spot right now. But happy how the gas tank turned out. Everything else I plan on letting it just kind of rust naturally, but obviously a gas tank, I would like it not to rust out, especially when it costs that much. So hope you guys enjoy. Make sure and check out the other videos. Subscribe, you know, that'd be cool. Have a good day. Later.